Hi, good morning, friends. Sometimes, when there is no choice, we have to get down on a muddy road, even while riding a superbike. And if one is not used to riding on a rough patch, that becomes the ugliest part of the journey. However, the real life picture is exactly like a road journey. Many times, like a boring straight road, sometimes very thrilling on curves, sometimes smooth like glass, and sometimes as dirty as one can think of. However, if we can learn to sail through all situations confidently, that becomes the most memorable journey of all time. Two passionate riders understood the game of good and bad roads early. So, diverted their brand new motorcycles to see more of bad roads. The adventure filled heart soon realized that a dirt road, even without anything special, had many challenges. Life looked to be at its calm, unlike busy road madness, sometimes also greeted by the wildlife. There was no traffic and horns, but only the tire and flying gravel noise to confirm the level of traction. The growling engine noise conveyed the level of torque, which was balanced well by the fingers, even when subjected to a good amount of vibrations. Each rocky patch or broken path demanded hawk-eye attention to ensure riding on the smoothest line. Even the smallest patch of few kilometers demanded watching out for each bush that got away, brushing helmet and the handguards. Body weight shifting kept the bike well balanced, but at the cost of good muscle exercise. The heightened alertness was nothing less than a powerful meditation, and just a few hours' ride resulted in most satisfying monkey acts, which are the most basic requirement to go off-road. When absolutely tired, there was no shortage of cool breeze and the tree shed. The growing joy while exploring new trails formed a group of like-minded riders, and they named it Aravalli Trail Riders. Mr. Gurpreet Oberoi and Nakul Malik were the first one to form the group, and today it's a team of around 50 riders. Each ride consists of around 15 to 20 riders. Majority of the experienced riders also get involved in the training of new riders who join the group.
I can't do this because I'm going to fall to the inside. I'm moving slow. It's not a road wala turn where the centrifugal force is going to throw me out. Yahan pe I have to counterweight by moving my body out. So at some point my body is going to be out. I'm going to be somewhere here. And my steering will be on full lock to the left. So I want to go to the right. My steering will be full locked and I'll be here.
Exactly.
This will be the position.
Cycling like. You play with the clutch.
Yeah.
Play with the clutch.
Smooth throttle.
You don't use very little throttle. Play with the clutch because if you lose throttle, you're going to stall. You're going to keep falling down. So this is what the practice is for. Some guys can do hard braking if they're not comfortable with braking. Go in a straight line, ABS off, reach speeds of maybe 30-40 and just apply your rear brake. Okay, keep control of the bike. Or you can apply both brakes also, but first apply the rear brake, then couple of turns, tries later, then you can apply both brakes and control the steering also.
Just control the steering. Rear ko jaane do. If it washes out left, right,
Yeah.
within reason, 45 degrees is a good amount it can go out. It can go out more as you get more experience. But just try and control the front.
If your front is straight, it's not
come
going
up
to
to
go
here
anywhere.
while you're facing forward and nothing is going to happen.
Trail riding teaches many lessons which can't be learned or experienced on busy roads. These trail riders can scan a trouble or changing terrain quite early, as half of the time they are on footpacks. Rear wheel skid or power slides become a means of fun when on flats. Sometimes when faced with a tricky obstacle, best is to cross over by a jump, and these riders don't hesitate to cross an obstacle. Even while on road, this confidence can make you leave the road in a fraction of seconds in order to prevent an accident. Aravalli trail riders have set an example to ensure that they master the most basic riding skills, as wheels have become part of our daily life. And before we end, please remember, when the going gets tough, get on the footpacks. Best wishes and ride safe.